we are talking about now maintaining your diesel engine. It has got an air filter, it's air cooled. Clean it after every 5 hours because the machine will be working with dust and so on. So it's very important to clean your air filter. So as you can see, this tap here outside, this and these two M6 nuts. So you use your 10 spanner to loosen here both of these nuts because the fuel filter or the diesel filter is inside the tank. So firstly, you remove your tank, or you can even drain your diesel if there is maybe the diesel is full and you want to service it, and a bolt underneath here, you loosen it. After loosening it, you put a container underneath here, you empty your tank, you loosen your tank. It has got bolts here on these brackets that holds it. You loosen the bolts, remove the whole tank, loosen here. You turn it upside down, you remove the diesel filter, or your fuel filter. You replace it with a new one. Same process, putting it back through up here, you loosen the lid from up there, goes in, and then you fasten it again. Please don't forget to put back your pipes again and these clamps on. So the other thing, it has got the oil filter which is in here. The oil filter which is in there. You use a 10 spanner, loosening here, and then you pull this guy out. It may be a bit hard, but after loosening, just pull it out. Then you replace your oil filter. You use your 17 spanner to loosen this guy here. You loosen it, put a container underneath here, you drain your engine oil. So you drain it until the oil is no more coming out. You notice that there is nothing coming out, close back the nut, call this a drain plug, you close it back. After closing it back, you open here, gauge here if your engine oil it's enough or is it less. As you can see, it has got two lines. One is down here, meaning it's now minimum or low, and this is now maximum or full. So always your engine oil should be at this level, full level. If maybe let me say it's not enough, you can always top up and check. So this is where you put in your engine oil. You can either use this one or the other one, the other side. So it takes around about 1.6 liters of 15W40. 15W40, 1.6 liters engine oil. So this diesel engine, it's a key start. It has got a starter. This is a starter. This is a starter and this is the solenoid. So this is now the small alternator that it has, charges the battery. So always when you are running it, always leave your key on so that it charges the battery. Always make sure that your terminals are on. So starting it now, always make sure that you have enough. Make sure your diesel is enough. It has got enough engine oil. And your tap, this is your tap. It's the one that controls the flow to the pump, from the pump to the injector. So this should always be open. There's an O on top there for open and the S for stop. So meaning when it's at O, it's open. When it's here, it's closed. So always when you're operating it, make sure that it's at O. So this is your acceleration or your speed. This guy. Always make sure when you are starting it, it should be all the way down. It should be all the way down. But when you are running it after starting it, you should bring it in the middle for the machine not to run too fast, as it might crush your grains. Okay, we are starting it now. So my battery is on. For me, it's just to so we have started with the key now. Now we are going to start it with the rope or the stroke start. We are going to pull with the rope now. So you open your fuel. You open your fuel. In your acceleration, thing should go down. It should go down. You've got a red pedal that is up there. This operates as your choke. So when you are starting it, it should be down. Once you start it, it will kick back up. I'm going to start it. So that's it for today for our Mahangu Thresher, diesel Mahangu Thresher. I hope you get yourself one and then you'll enjoy. Thank you very much.